Magandang umaga mga ka-outer. Ito na naman isa na namang pagkakaroon ng laglagan ng mga maka-Duterte. Kung sino kaya nagsasabi ng totoo? Si Harry Roque, si Panelo, at si Duterte. Naku, panoodin na lang natin yung pagtanggi ng Tatay Diggs na walang gentleman's agreement sa West Philippine Sea. Panoodin po natin.
The President, we would insist that that China Sea, or not the whole of it, but there is a part of the China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. And since I would want to, get savings instead of importing it from the exporting country, ako na I will dig my oil there. I just want to let you know. Ito ang sagot ni Xi Jinping. I am afraid you cannot do that. Sabi ko, why, Mr. President? Diniretso ko na siya. I will get it from that portion of the Red China Sea that belongs to the Philippines. Sabi niya, please do not do it with the life of me. We are friends and I do not want to destroy that friendship. So what is in your mind, Mr. President? Sabi niya, because it would be in trouble.
Ayan po, napakinggan niyo po yung press con na ginawa ni dating presidente. Tinanggi niya. Sa palagay na natin, tinatanggi niya. Mukhang takot na takot siya. Takot na takot siya sa China. Maraming salamat po. Pa-subscribe na lang po ng aking YouTube channel. Salamat po.